Now for the third part of the assignment, we have two containers. One is that runs the command that outputs to a file, and the other one that uses socat to map the file to port number 9001. Also, for the second container, we use that to link the container to the first container, and use the curl command to access the data in from the first container. So I'll just quickly show you the Docker file for container 1. So this is the Docker file, and this is what's going to be written into the file. And this is the socat command to actually listen over 9001, so that the other so that the other container can actually access the data in this from this file. And similarly, from container 2, we have just a curl command to access the data from container 1. Now it's really easy to actually run this file. So I'll just open a new terminal in here, and then run all these commands. So it's container 1 and docker build -d container 1 dot. So the container is created, and now I'll run the docker. So docker run -dd. Now the new container is up and running. I'll just go back to container 2, and this is built as well, although I have to change the name here because I changed the name in the previous one. Oh well, now since I've already done this once, it gives me an error because I've already used the name once. So I'm just gonna change the name and run the same command again. Let's say access 1, and that's done. So now I'll access it, the bash, and now I can actually use the curl command to see the data from the container 1. And since we have already exposed port number 9001, so we can simply use the input the command curl input from port number 9001, and this says hello from the legacy container, which is the data from the container. I'm just gonna pause the video for a second here. Sorry about that. So that was all from homework number 4, wherein we learned how to create multiple containers using Docker Compose, and then how to use blue-green deployment and barebone deployment pipeline to get them to work with multiple containers, and how multiple containers can be linked together and the data can be shared amongst them. Thank you.